Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today I am going to talk about the conjunction and in addition to the conjunction but. This is in Book 1, Unit 6, Listening and Speaking. First, let me remind you of the unit question, which is, when is honesty important? Conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that is used to join two sentences. Here, let's start with the conjunction and. We use and here to show addition, and it is used when the statements are similar. And joins two similar ideas or adds another similar idea. Here we can say that we use and when we want to add more information. Let's have some examples. The first example, I'd like you to join these two sentences using and. We stayed at home. We had our lunch there. Good. We say, we stayed at home and we had our lunch there. Here you can observe that we used a comma before and. And if the subject of the second sentence is the same as the subject of the first sentence, we can use it or leave it. Good. Here, I called Fahd. We talked for an hour. I'd like you to join these two sentences using and. Right. We're saying, I called Fahd and we talked for an hour. Now, dear students, let's talk about the conjunction but. But is used to connect sentences that express opposite ideas. Here I mean different ideas. Here, let's have examples. The example number 1. I wanted to buy a car. I didn't have enough money. So I'd like you to join these two sentences using but. Good. I wanted to buy a car, but I didn't have enough money. Here, as I told you before with the conjunction and, we use a comma before but, and if the second subject is the same as the first subject, so we can use it or leave it. Next, Ali is very rich. Fahd is very poor. Here I'd like you to join these two sentences using but. Good. Ali is very rich, but Fahd is very poor. As you can see here, we have opposite ideas. Being rich is opposite to the idea of being poor. Good. Now let's move to the exercise A. Here I'd like you to complete the sentences with and or but. First, Ali put false information on his resume. It says he has a college degree. Space, he really doesn't. Good. Here we choose the conjunction but and we say, Ali put false information on his resume. It says he has a college degree, but he really doesn't. Once I found a wallet on the bus. It didn't have any money in it. Space, it had a lot of credit cards. I took it to the police station. Space, they returned it to the owner. Good. Here we choose the conjunction but and the conjunction and. Once I found a wallet on the bus. It didn't have any money in it, but it had a lot of credit cards. I took it to the police station and they returned it to the owner. It's okay to use sections of an internet article in your paper. Space. You need to give the author's name. Space. You should also give the website where you found it. Well, it's okay to use sections of an internet article in your paper, but you need to give the author's name and you should also give the website where you found it. I try to be honest all the time. Space. Sometimes it's impossible. Good, we say. I try to be honest all the time, but sometimes it's impossible. Mr. Ali is a very good businessman. His products are excellent. Space. His prices are fair. Good. Mr. Ali is a very good businessman. His products are excellent. And his prices are fair. Thank you, dear students, and good luck.